everyone, welcome to a new video of Sisters Creation. So today we are going to show you some premium linen and cotton Jamdani collection. So let's display.
Okay, so our first
This is our
display is
first display.
handcrafted Jamdani,
Which is of royal blue color.
royal blue color, beautifully handcrafted. Look at the flower motifs in the pallu part. It's amazing, very light weighted and very beautifully handcrafted.
And
Look
bright,
at this, and very bright
color.
as well. Look at this. This is the pallu part, and the whole body goes like this. Beautiful. See,
So
amazing collection. Amazing collection. This is the body part with threads buta work all over the body. Goes like this in a royal blue, and the part is like
of
border is
color.
of red color. Beautiful. It's amazing. Look at this. It's actually a very nice collection. Okay, and this is
the
BP. Running BP. This was our first collection of handcrafted Jamdani. Today we are here with all handcrafted Jamdani collection.
It's our second display.
Second display is also of
navy blue
collection. So, look at this. Amazing. Look at the
So
work.
it's the combination of navy blue and royal blue.
Yes. It's both the combination of navy blue
Again,
and
it's of a flower motif.
flower motif, very bright and with
and
a
nice combination.
golden border, with a golden border. This is the BP, and the body goes like this. The whole body goes like this. This is the body. This is the body. Look at the body. Very beautiful it is, and very lightweighted, fabulous collection. It's a bright color. Amazing. Look at this. Look at
This is the royal blue part.
Royal blue part, and here's the sari goes like this. Amazing, a very bright collection with a pretty flower motif all over the body. Pretty flower motif all over the body. Look at the work. It's amazing. It's fabulous. Moving on to the next collection of.
This is our third display.
This is our third display. Oh, black.
Black. Oh my god.
Black is amazing. Look at the sari. Just look at this. Amazing. Like, it's also a handcrafted Jamdani. Today's episode is all about handcrafted Jamdani. Look at this. This is also amazing with a little flower motif. Handcrafted flower motif of golden, pink, and the base is black. It's perfectly black.
And here is the sea green.
Sea green border with the sea green border. And look at this part. This is the pallu part, or yes, this is the pallu part with stripes. Stripes goes on purple, pink, golden, green with the base of black. Amazing it is. And this is the blouse piece, or BP. BP is running BP. There's also an exclusive and amazing collection, as black is all-time favorite.
And it suits every color, means every complexion.
Look,
so anybody can wear it.
This is the body part.
This is the body.
Look at this. Amazing. If I show you like this. Ganga Jamuna par, it's also Ganga Jamuna par. The concept of Ganga Jamuna par is both sides of different color. Like here you can see the sea green part, and this is the pink color. So this is actually the base of Ganga Jamuna par. In both sides you will have different colors. So yes, so the sari goes like this. This is the actual thing with a base black color. This was our third collection. Now moving on to the next. The
This
next
fourth
is also
display.
it's also a fourth display with
The base is
handcrafted
sky
jamdani.
blue
Sky
color.
blue color, very
Very
light
bright
weighted,
and
very
light
bright.
color.
Very bright, very lightweighted, and also a very soothing color for summer as
Yes.
well, because we need to wear something light in summer, which also like makes ourselves beautiful. So this is bright as well as summer friendly color, so you can easily wear it. Look at this pallu part here, beautifully, flower motif with beautifully handcrafted flower motifs. Look at the sari, goes like this with the golden border, and the whole sari is this. Look at the threads work, is finished works, an exclusive collection. Today handcrafted jamdani, it's an exclusive collection. You can easily have it and carry it any of your functions. This is the BP, running BP.
Running BP. Very soft.
Very soft color, very soft
And
color, and
comfortable
very
also.
comfortable also. Eye soothing color.
color.
This color is very soft, eye soothing, and yet very gorgeous as well. So you can easily carry it for your summer collection. Moving on to the next. Okay, another black and maroon collection, which is another yet very bright color. If you are
Again the combination of black and maroon color.
yes, if you are a black lover, we all are black lovers some way or other, but if you are exclusively black color and you want something very bright, then you can easily have this. Look at this sari. The whole body goes like this, perfectly maroon.
Color.
The base is maroon, and you can have the thread works in
Like
all over the
flower
body.
motif.
Flower thread works. Very beautifully crafted. This is the pallu part, which comes in base of black and multiple colors, like multicolors of flowers and leaf motifs. You will get it. And here you can see in the bottom part, here is a stripe of golden stripe.
Golden and maroon.
Golden and maroon stripe. So the sari goes like this. Amazing, amazing, very bright.
Very
black
bright.
goes with any of your functions, and yet it is an
And you will
exclusive
look
collection.
gorgeous also.
So here is the blouse piece,
This is the blouse piece.
contrast BP. So it was our fifth display. Moving on to the next.
This is our sixth.
Purple collection. Purple is yet another bright
It's
color
really
after
very
black.
lightweight.
Very lightweight.
Very
Like
light.
you can easily do like this.
Very
you can
light.
easily fold it and
Yes.
carry in your bag.
Yes.
So it's like very
Again,
lightweighted.
It's of a flower motif.
Yes, very lightweighted and very
And
like
a very bright color.
Yes,
Very
it's-
attractive.
when it comes to
Yes.
bright, we get into the mind a very heavy sari, but no, it's not. Actually, it's bright, but it's very comfortable as well.
Yes, obviously.
So here it is, perfectly purple color, and the sari goes like with all over body. You can get this leaf work handcrafted, which is
Of different color, like
different
orange
color,
and
orange, green.
parrot green.
and here the
is
pallu
pallu
part. The pallu goes like
Very
this,
pretty.
very pretty, very like color, mix of different colors, like very colorful it is. You can see this is very
Yes.
colorful, very colorful. The pallu part is. This is
And
the
this
blouse
is the
piece,
blouse piece.
running BP, and the whole sari goes like this. This is the actual thing of whole sari. It's amazing. It's very bright and yet very comfortable to wear as well. Moving on to the next.
This is our seventh display.
Moving on to the next. This is also a very bright collection.
Again, it's of a black color.
Black color. Okay, sorry, it's a navy blue color, but it's actually looking like a black.
Yes.
So, okay.
For
So
the
it's
light,
a
it's looking like black, but actually it's a navy
blue color. It's a navy blue color for the confusion. It's a navy blue color. Same goes like this. All over body
butta
goes.
work.
All over the body goes
Yes.
with multiples of
multiple
thread
colours of-
butta work.
yes.
And it's amazing sari. Look at the threads. It's very comfortable for your summer. All over sari which we are showing now are summer special or summer collection, you may call it as.
And here is the flower
Here is the
motif, which is
pallu
of
part.
different color.
Yes, of different colors.
Pink, yellow, and the leaf part is green.
Okay. This is the running BP.
Yes, this is the BP.
BP. Amazing, amazing. The whole sari goes like this. Look at this. Amazing. It's a different beauty. It's another thing. It's amazing.
Very
Fabulous.
gorgeous.
It's just another level. Moving on to the next, which is
It's
also a
our-
black.
Yes.
Today we have shown multiple black collection, and this is a very smart,
Again, very
lucrative,
smart.
sari. If you are a teenager and if you are searching of something very exclusive yet very light, then you can easily have this, guys. It's amazing yet very lightweighted, and it will give you, it's going to give you a very, very smart look. Very smart look.
Okay.
So this is the actual body part.
This is body part.
Okay, this is the BP. Okay, not body part. This is the BP, running BP.
And
This is the
the
pallu
pallu
part.
part.
Look at this. This is the pallu part, and the body comes with perfectly black. Ganga Jamuna par, as I have mentioned it earlier, that different colors. That's why it's a Ganga Jamuna par. Look at this, orange and pink. See, the saree speaks for itself. It's amazing, amazing. It is. It's very very nice, very nice. This Ganga Jamuna par, and the base is perfectly burnished black, complete black it is. So this was our exclusive collection. Moving on to the next, let me show you some bright color, that is yellow. Yellow is very bright and
Very
summer
bright,
friendly
yes.
color it is.
You can also use it for your haldi ceremony.
Haldi ceremony, if you have your wedding session in the month of like June, July, very
Or winter season, or in winter season
or winter
also.
season, but it's perfect
Yes.
for summer, because we find something very comfortable for the summer wear, you know. So it's very, very amazing bright color it is. Look at this, look at this. It's a bright color,
Yes.
bright,
Very bright color.
very bright color, just another level. Okay, this is the BP,
BP,
which is
orange
contrast BP, and the
this
whole
is of
saree
flower
goes
motif
like flower
also.
motif also. Like whole saree goes like this. Ganga Jamuna
Ganga
part.
Jamuna part.
This is also Ganga Jamuna part. The body is like this. Look at this. This is the, look at this. Look at this beauty. This amazing. This is a very bright color. You can see it's a very bright color. And so this was the collection. It's a very bright and yet very light. Very
Yes,
bright and
bright
very
and
light.
light.
So this was the pallu part, and the body goes like this. Okay, so moving on to the next and the last collection
display,
for today.
which is of orange color.
Orange color, which
Again, a
is
very sweet
very
color.
sweet
Very
color.
sweet.
very
And also
sweet.
bright.
Also bright, but
Summer
very
friendly.
summer friendly it is.
Yes.
See, this is the base.
The body part.
The body is perfectly orange, and you can get the border as pink with
Rose
beautifully golden work here. You can see
Beautifully
it.
designed.
Beautiful design it is. Very smart and lucrative it is. And here it's of pallu part.
This is
You
the
can
pallu
see
part.
it's amazing. It doesn't need anything to add more. The saree itself, the saree speaks for
You will
itself.
need only a light jewelry.
Light jewelry, and you are ready for any of your events. So it's
Yes.
amazing. It's amazing. It's just another level fab collection it is, and all these are exclusive and yet bright and light collection. Today our episode is all about bright and light collection. So this was the last collection of today display.
Yes.
So we will
And
come.
if you like any of these sarees, then please take a screenshot from the video and send it to our WhatsApp number All the details are mentioned in the description box. Do check it. And if you like the video, then please like it, comment it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. We will
Stay
again
safe,
come
stay
with the
happy.
next
Thank
video.
you.
Bye.